Hello, welcome to the lesson on Pick's theorem. So we are going to find the area of an irregularly shaped polygon, or specifically what we have here is a quadrilateral. We're going to use the formula A equals I plus B divided by 2 minus 1. Although there is another way to find the area of this quadrilateral by creating shapes such as triangles and squares, we're going to use this formula. The I stands for inner points, and the B stands for the border points, or what's known as the outside points. So let's go ahead and begin the lesson. Within the shape, I'm going to count how many inner points we have. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. This is representative of the I. We have plus. The B is representative of the outside points or the border points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We place 6 here, divided by 2, minus 1. So we have 25 plus 6 divided by 2. Well, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 25 plus 3 is 28. And then 28 minus 1 equals 27. Therefore, the area of this quadrilateral or irregularly shaped polygon is 27. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.